Good morning, friends. Hello, Namaskara. Welcome to this session on the subject corporate administration. And the chapter we are discussing is corporate meeting. And under the corporate meeting, the topic for today's session is board meetings. This is Chand Pasha. Friends, we have various categories of meetings. In my earlier sessions, we have discussed in detail meetings of shareholder. Now we shall be discussing about meetings of director. It is also called as board meeting. Under this we have two category of meeting. One is called meetings of board of director BOD and committee meetings. Let us first discuss what is meetings of the board of director. Meetings of board of director is a formal meeting of the board of directors of the organization held usually at a definite intervals to consider the policy issues and major problems presided over by the chairman of the organization. Let us try to understand this by subpart. First, let us discuss frequency of board meeting. The first board meeting should be held within 30 days from the date of incorporation of the company, and there shall be minimum of 4 board meeting every year, and a maximum time gap between the two meetings should not be more than 120 days. Means with once in 120 days they have to be a board meeting, so therefore in a year there must be 4 meetings and the time gap should be 120 days. In case of one person companies, small companies, dormant companies, or startup private companies, or section 8 companies, in this case what will happen? At least one board meeting shall be conducted in each of the half of the calendar year, and the time gap between two board meetings should not be less than 90 days. So this is the category of frequency of board meetings. Let us understand from the point of view of notice for calling board meetings. The meetings of board of directors should be called by giving 7 days notice to the director at his registered address through, that is, it can be given by hand delivery, by post, or by electronic means. Remember, for other meetings like AGM, statutory meetings, or extraordinary meetings, the notice period should be 21 days. But for board meetings, the notice period is only 7 days. And what shall be the quorum of board meeting? 1/3 of the total strength, or two director, whichever higher, they must attend to form the quorum of board meeting. Where the meeting of board could not be held for want of quorum, the meeting shall be automatically adjourned or cancelled to the same time, same place at next week, not being a national holiday. If the number of directors reduce below the quorum, then the remaining directors may hold a meeting for the following purpose, that is, to call a general meeting or to increase the number of directors. Participation of directors in board meeting. Directors may, apart from attending the meeting physically, can participate the meeting by way of video conference or other audiovisual means. Let us discuss now about the chairman of board meeting. The chairman of the board shall conduct the meeting of the board. The chairman of the company shall be the chairman of the board also. The company does not have a chairman, then the director may elect one of them among the members to be as the chairman of the board. Meetings of the committees of directors. Remember, we have two category. One is meeting of director, what we have seen. Another we have committee meetings. The board of director may form certain committees and delegates some of its power to them. These committees should consist of the following only directors. The delegation of power to such committees is to be authorized by the Article of Association and should be subject to the provisions of the Companies Act. In large companies, routine matters like allotment, transfer, finance are handled by the subcommittees of the board of directors. And there are various mandatory committees such as audit committees, nomination and remuneration committees, stakeholders relationship committees, and corporate social committees. Remember, we have discussed here, one is meetings of director, another is committee meetings. So these are the committees they have to form, and for each of these committees directors are the in charge. So to take care of these. Thank you.